Get out your art supplies. We're going to be drawing bats using the numbers 6 and 7. And here's what they'll look like when they're done. Welcome to Art Expedition. We're glad you're here. Are you ready? Bat, are you ready? Pencils, pens, markers, or crayons up? Let's begin. The first thing we need to do is put in our numbers, 6 and 7. I'm going to put the 6 right down here and then the 7 up here. So let's start by drawing the 6. There's our 6, and I'm going to turn the page slightly. We'll put our 7 right up here and curve the side just a little bit. Now we'll put them back. We'll start by drawing the sleeping bat first using the number 6. Let's add a line that matches the other side of the 6 to make its body. To make the bat's ears, we're going to use V-shapes. We'll put down 2 dots to guide our path. Now we're going to add its nose, and its nose we're going to use a triangle, and I'm going to put it just a teeny tiny triangle right in the middle, the oval of the 6. Just like that. I'm going to put a slightly curved line here and a slightly curved line here to make its eyes because it's sleeping. And then I'm going to just put a little dot right here for its mouth. Now we're going to add 2 lines to represent its wings. Bats sleep with their wings folded up. So we're going to put one curved line right here, and one curved line right there. Next, we'll add 2 diagonal lines for its hair. Now we'll add a little detail to the bat's ears. And finally, for our sleeping bat, we'll make its feet using C and reverse C shapes. So now we have our sleeping bat. For our flying bat, we'll draw an oval at the end of the 7. Like that. The 7 will be one wing. The oval its head. It'll need another wing that'll look like the 7, but the opposite. So we'll add a dot to get roughly the right distance and connect it with a curved line to the head. We'll finish our reverse 7 with a straight line. For the bat's body, we'll add a U shape under the head, like that. We're going to add its ears next. Very similar to this, we're going to use upside down V's instead of right side up V's, and put 2 little dots here to guide us. Now we're going to add our nose, but it's going to be going the opposite way. So the point will be at the bottom. A teeny tiny one. I'm going to add its eyes by making 2 short but thick lines on either side of the nose. And then just a little line right here to make the mouth. We'll add some details like we did before. The edge of the ears right here, and then 2 lines diagonal for its hair. Now we're going to add its wings, and so what I'm going to do is work out from here, not that far, and put a dot, and then the same thing over here, put a dot, and I'm going to connect these dots to the rest of the bat. One over here with very straight lines. Now we're going to add some straight lines coming straight down here. 1, 2. And I'm going to add 2 legs, just 2 simple lines, one coming out here and one coming out here. And then a tail, just a little bit down below. How you doing there? Next, we're going to connect the wings together, and so we're going to use slightly curved lines curving in towards the bat on either side. So I'm going to start with this one, and I'm going to connect them, and then connect to that leg. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but I'm going to curve it this way. Curved in, and then to the leg. Next, we're going to connect the 2 wings at the bottom at the tail. So we're going to go from here, from this leg, down to the tail, and the same on the other side. Now, we're going to add our feet, our toes, coming out just little curved lines like that. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, like that. Bats also have almost like thumbs right on on this side of their wings. So I'm going to add just a line coming out and then down, out and then down. Now we have our bats. Now we're going to add a tree, so this bat has something to be sleeping on. So I'm just going to put a slightly squiggly line here, not too squiggly, but not too straight either. And then one coming up like this. I'm going to have this come down, and this come down here. And I'm going to add just a little piece like that. Now I'm going to add the moon by just putting a circle right up here. Mine's a little lumpy, but that's okay. Then I'm going to add a couple of dots and some little tiny circles to make the moon. And then we're going to add the ground, and we're going to make it a little bit of a wavy line going up to the tree. And so together we've drawn bats with the numbers 6 and 7. You can also color your bats if you like. Here's my version. Thanks for drawing with us. We hope you've had fun. For Art Expedition, I'm Kevin Van Norman. What will you create? What do you think? Looks like your Uncle Frank.